Or do you guys like for a very close friend, not literal best friend, but like are you very close friends as well as family? Ew, what the fuck? Stop. So you have multiple cousins that you talk to often? I have so many cousins, but I don't think I ever talk to any of them. Like I don't even talk to my what? I kind of talk to my sister. I do talk to my sister. I don't talk to my brother, but that's a different story. Yeah. Uh, but I don't have cousins that I like talk to. In fact, I'm pretty sure I'm accidentally ignoring one of my cousin's messages right now. And her friend request. Damn, I probably look like I hate her. My bad. Pretty sure these aren't meant to go in the dishwasher, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I suck. That's nice. Probably won't get clean. Nah, because you're not really. How's everyone doing? Okay. See, not funny. I just feel like being a nap. Maybe I need water. Drink some water. What do we think? Drink water. I guess it couldn't hurt. Whoa. Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Ooh. Yeah. That might have been what I need. Somebody tipped for. Hey. Thank you. How you doing? So, because there's always like somewhere. How's your day going? Are we?